the 115 children who have completed their chemotherapy this year, you are an awesome inspiration. You are a reminder that no matter how difficult the battle, there's always light at the end of the tunnel. You are the reason why we at the I Want to Share Foundation continue to strive to believe and to hope. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. It was in 2015 when our partnership with the Hemapedia Onco Department of the PGH started. It was founded on the shared mission to help and give a second chance at life for children with cancer. Since then, we have been part of the healing journey of over 4,500 children. Today, we celebrate the 4th Can Beat It graduation ceremony. 150 children from 2024 to the first quarter of 2025 beat chemotherapy. 115 of whom are with us here today. This year, we also launched the survivorship program to ensure the monitoring of our warriors. We had a collaboration with the Manila Hearing Aid, and we would like to thank Ms. Ana Abanyo, President of the Foundation, for helping us. They provided 30 hearing aids for our children whose hearing were impaired from chemotherapy and surgery. Thank you for the partnership. Because of the love, support, and dedication of our donors and partners, more children are able to beat cancer. Through our fundraising activities, like the upcoming second I Want to Share Gala happening on August 1, I would like to announce that the I Want to Share Foundation is committing MRI or PET CT scan tests for our survivors once a year. Gusto po namin ipaalam sa inyong lahat na huwag po kayong matatakot at kami po ay naririto upang tumulong na tuloy-tuloy sa inyong lahat. Sabi nga po sa ating misa today, let not our hearts be troubled, because God has overcome and He will make a way. Diba? God will make a way dahil po sa ating pananampalataya, sa ating strong faith, sa ating pong relationship with Him every day. Tayo po ay naririto ngayon upang mag-celebrate ng graduation. Tama po ba ating mga parents? So, amen to that. Every year I also celebrate with you because as a warrior myself, I am here proud and full of gratitude to God first and foremost, to my family, just like you, nakasama ang inyong mga magulang dito, mga kapatid. Ito ay battle hindi lang po ng ating mga survivors, kung hindi ng ating buong pamilya. So I'd like to thank my daughter Milka who's here, and talagang lubos-lubos po ang pasasalamat ko kasi for the first time nandito po yung bunsong anak ko, si Steph. Steph, raise your hand. Today lang niya fully naintindihan ang nanay niya is warrior. Sa mga doktor, nurse, at staff ng Pediatric Hematology Oncology Department ng PGH, kay Dr. Tricia Alcasabas, kay Dr. Gap, kay Dr. Fajardo, at most especially kay Luisa Padernilla, ang ating admin, at talagang napamahal na sa I Want to Share Foundation. Hindi mangyayari itong graduation na ito taon-taon kung hindi rin sa tulong mo. So maraming salamat, Luisa. Sa inyong kahusayan, sa malasakit at walang sawang paglilingkod na siyang katuwang namin ng I Want to Share Foundation sa pagbibigay ng pag-asa at kaligtasan. Hindi po namin makakamit ang lahat na po ng nagagawa naming giving back kung hindi po sa partnership with PGH. Ako po rin ay naniniwala na ang misyon kong ito ay biyaya ng Diyos. Tulad din po ng aking pinagdaanan, ako rin ay nabigyan ng pangalawang pagkakataon sa buhay. At ngayon po, ang aking paraan ng pagbabalik po ng biyaya ay ang makatulong, makapagpagaling din, at makapagbigay liwanag sa mga bata at sa kanilang mga pamilya. I want to commend the parents and families of these brave warriors. The journey is never the child's alone. It is a journey toward healing that is fought hand in hand with the family. You are our anchor, our strength, and the hope behind every cancer survivor. Your love and resilience make our healing possible. So to you, thank you. Mga mahal naming mga bata, ang inyong tagumpay ay tagumpay naming lahat. Patuloy kayong mangarap, magpakatatag, at magmahal. Ang buhay ay minsang naging mabigat para sa atin. Pero ngayong araw na ito ay patunay na kayang lampasan ang lahat. Dahil sa tulong ng Diyos, basta't may pag-asa sa ating puso, may suporta at pagmamahal, kaya natin ito. We can beat cancer. This morning, ang ating pong keynote speaker ay isa sa pinakakilalang doktor sa ating bansa pagdating sa beauty and skincare. Siya ang founder ng Bello Medical Group at matagal na pong nagbibigay ng tiwala at kumpiyansa na matagal na pong nagbibigay ng tiwala at kumpiyansa sa maraming Pilipino mula celebrities hanggang sa mga simpleng tao na gustong gumanda at gumaan ang loob. Pero higit pa roon, siya rin po ay isang cancer survivor, breast cancer survivor. Gaya ko, isa pong kaibigan na through the years, kakwentuhan tungkol sa hope, tungkol sa pagiging survivor. Alam niya mismo ang hirap, takot at lakas ng loob na kailangan para malagpasan ang ganitong pagsubok. Kaya ang pagiging bahagi niya ng event na ito at ang aming collaboration para po sa gala sa August ay napaka-espesyal. Siya lang po ay hindi isang doktor, kung hindi isa rin pong inspirasyon para sa ating lahat. Mga kaibigan, isa pong mainit na palakpakan para kay Dr. Vicky Bello.